Electrotherapy previous year's question part 2. Can you score 10 by 10? Let's see. First, which electrode is placed over the motor point in NMES? A. Indifferent electrode. B. Active electrode. C. Dispersive electrode. D. Ground electrode. आंसर इज बी एक्टिव इलेक्ट्रोड, क्योंकि एक्टिव इलेक्ट्रोड स्टिमुलेट करता है डायरेक्टली मोटर पॉइंट को. सेकेंड, विच करंट हैज हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी? ए टेंस, बी IFT, सी galvanic current, D Faradic current. B IFT because it uses medium frequency current nearly 4000 Hz. Third, which effect is produced by continuous ultrasound? A. Mechanical only. B. Thermal effect. C. No effect. D. Sensory block. Answer is B. Thermal effect. Continuous mode produce heat in tissues. Fourth, which modality is best for deep heating? A. Infrared. B. Paraffin wax. C. SWD. D. Ice. C. SWD. Penetrates deeper tissue via electromagnetic waves. Fifth, which current is used for denervated muscles? A. TANS. B. Faradic current. C. Interrupted galvanic current. D. IFT. Answer is C. Interrupted galvanic current. It stimulates denervated muscle fibers. Sixth, which factor affects depth of ultrasound penetration? A. Intensity only. B. Frequency. C. Duration. D. Gel. D. Frequency. जितना lower frequency उतना deeper penetration. Seventh, which modality is contraindicated over metal implants? A. TANS. B. IFT. C. SWD. D. NMES. D. SWD. Metal can cause excessive heating. Which effect is produced by TANS? A. Muscle contraction. B. Pain relief. C. Bone healing. D. Heat production. Answer is B. Pain relief. Works via gate control mechanism. Important है ये बहुत ज़्यादा. Ninth, which parameter is increased in IFT to reduce pain? A. Frequency. B. Amplitude. C. Pulse duration. D. Beat frequency. Is D. Beat frequency. Low beat frequency used होती है pain relief के लिए. 10th, which gel is used in ultrasound therapy? Oil based. B. Water based. C. Alcohol based. D. Dry gel. बहुत इजी है. चलो फॉर योर आंसर. स्कोर आउट ऑफ 10 कमेंट में बताइए. 7+ आप स्ट्रॉन्ग हो इलेक्ट्रो में. 8+ it's top level. Part 3 is coming. If you like this series, do subscribe the channel. It will help you. Thank you for watching.